So due to network issue, your class will be interrupted. So here you see, uh, I am showing you all this machine. This is your ductility testing machine, and I show you all its top view. That in this top view, we have we have water fill in it. So here we fill the water, and also the water is at least 25 mm above the specimen. So here, while the test is being conducted, make sure that the water in the tank of the testing machine cover the specimen above by at least 25 mm. So this is the report, and also I'm discussing this point that uh, while the test is being conducted, make sure that the water in the tank of testing machine cover the specimen above by at least 25 mm and is mentioned continuously within plus minus zero point 0.5 degrees Celsius of a specified temperature. Next, attach rings at each end of the clip to the hooks in the testing machine and pull the two clips apart horizontally at a uniform speed as specified until the briquette ruptures. Next point, measure the distance in centimeters through which the clips have been pulled to the produce rupture. Next, at least three determinations shall be made for each test. This is the report. So, report the average of three normal test ductility of the sample, provided that the three determination be within plus minus 5% of their mean value. Next, if the value of three dimensions do not lie within plus minus 0.5% of their mean, but the two higher value are within plus minus 5% of their mean, then record the mean of the two higher value at the test results. So basically, here we do the bitumen. The bitumen should be poured in thin layers and evenly throughout so that no air pockets are left in the bullet sample. So यहाँ पे ये है कि हमारे जो बिटुमिन है उनको हमको थिन लेयर में इस हमारे इस डक्टिलिटी टेस्टिंग मशीन में पोर कर देना है ताकि कोई एयर पॉकेट जो हो वो हमारे इस जो भी हमारा ब्रिकेट सैंपल होगा उसमें ना बने. नेक्स्ट, इन फिलिंग द मोल्ड केयर शुड बी टेकन ड्यू टू डिसअरेंज द पार्ट्स एंड दस डिस्टॉर्ट द ब्रिकेट. सो मोल्ड को इस तरीके से फिल करना है ताकि जो भी हमारा बिटुमिन है वो हमारा ब्रिकेट से डिस्टॉर्ट ना हो और ना ही वो उसमें वो डिफॉर्म हो. नेक्स्ट, द प्लेट on which the molds are placed shall be perfectly flat and level so that the bottom surface of the mold touch it throughout. So basically what we do here, the plate on which the molds are placed, जो भी हमारा प्लेट है और जो भी हमारा मोल्ड इस पे अटैच होगा उससे हमको अपने सरफेस को फ्लैट करना है जिस पे हमको बिटुमिन को इस पे स्मॉल पे अगर प्लेस करना हो तो, so that the bottom surface of the mold touches it thoroughly. So basically we do these precautions and we take these precaution. Next, we soften the material to fluid consistency under a temperature of 75 to 100 degrees Celsius. I told these things already. Next, we assemble the model or we assemble the mold. So here you see we assemble the mold. Here you see what we do. What we do, we we assemble the mold and we assemble the mold on the brass plate, and we use uh, we use stream back and forth from end to end of the mold until it is more than the level point. Now we allow it to cool at room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes and then place it in a water bath which is mentioned at a temperature of 10. Here the temperature specified is your 27 plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. I told these things that in many articles it is written that 25 plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, and at many places it is written as 27 plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. So you keep both things in your mind. Next, we leave it, we leave the mold to cool it room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes and then place it in water bath mentioned at a specified temperature for 35 minutes. Then cut off excess bitumen by means of hot tested edge putty knife level full. Now place the brass plate and mold with bracket specimen in the water bath and keep at a specified temperature for about 85 to 95 minutes. So these are the various procedure which we keep in mind during the testing of ductility test of our bitumen. So a bitumen sample is melted to a temperature of 75 to 100 degrees Celsius, and after melting the bitumen at 75 degree to 100 degrees Celsius, we start our testing. So here our objective is to measure the ductility of given bitumen sample, and also